been great. You know, we have the community
So
participation.
they must spread the love in Jamaica, kind of guys. You get me? So you don't know the thing, you can find them, check them out. You see me? You know, murals to do all of them things, you can see me link them up on them way there. You understand? I him catch most of them. Red look on this. So no nothing normal, you know. She catch one. The one they found?
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Yeah man, big up the Robinson Family TV, and I wanna big up I am Maro. Yeah man, and One Drop Entertainment. Yeah man, for you give me the support and share me upon them vlog. You get what me I say? So in the meantime, me I gotta do the same. So this is DJ One Drop Entertainment channel. So I hope you can see it clear, guys. That is the One Drop Entertainment vlog. Alright, and now I'm gonna show you I am Mawa. Yeah man, so more on the item subscribe to I am Mara, subscribe to the One Drop Entertainment boss, and more on the item also subscribe to the Robinson Family TV. You get what I say? We go out here and do the right thing. Go with some epic content, I showcase Jamaica, how we live, world vibe, fun, adventure, and I show you what go on in the environment as well. You get what I say? Right now I'm in downtown Kingston. You get what I say? Yeah man, where them have the artwork them on the wall. You get what I say? Soon telling you exactly which part the location is, the street actually. Yeah man, so this is I Am Mawa channel. Yeah man, I Am Mawa. Yeah man, I'm the traveling commander, you know guys. Yeah man, someone wants to take the time out, share, like, subscribe. We're gonna go over there, make them know say I'm from the Robinson Family TV. Gonna come across from saying, me I beg gonna go over there, go subscribe to them, and me I beg them to support for me as well to reach 1,000 subscribers and get the channel up and running the right way. So me I go show you some artwork done by various artists or artists. Me mean like drawings and stuff on the wall, murals them call them. Some want to know see what go on, so the beauty of downtown Kingston. Right there, so they're near to which part them do the fireworks that are done by waterfront down in that area. So I'm gonna show you how I go on. Some artists come through more time musical and do videos, right? Because the work them on the wall kind of bring up them video. You get what I say, and give them more views because the colors and everything, you see me, vibrancy, the artwork, the dynamics, all of them something there. I see somebody up there say like them I do some painting as well, so I go show you what I go on. Pass through, I don't know if them want them on the video or not, but I go take time to do my thing. See? Yeah man. Yeah man, them players here when I come shoot video, you know guys. Yeah man, so another first me really I come down the side here. Yeah man, but me just remember where the street name. When I see a sign, I identify that, well me will make it know. Alright? See it mark Water Lane. You see me, Kingston Creative. So see guys. Yeah man. I shoot a video here so already couple months back for Harry Toddler. You know, can go check it out, Psycho Bunny. You see me by Harry Toddler, me shoot a video there. You can go check it out. Bad video, it have been Beanie Man, Bounty Killer. You understand, Harry Toddler himself and many more artists, dancers, like wow, yeah man, very creative video, very creative song as well. You see me? So, you see what I go on? Some nice murals on the wall guys. Yeah man. So here says a place where them actually, I think you have to book. If you want to use the place, I think you have to book. During the week, you have to book with them. Right, and them give the okay. I think you have to pay a fee for use around here, so if you shoot video. But sometimes people try, like all to the Sunday now, you know, people we use them brain, you know. You know what I talk about. Forget out with a few. You see me? Cause you can see it's a nice place, you know, guys. You see me? Nice, very nice. Murals and everything. Very, 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 very bossy place, me I tell you about. You see me? Look on the tiles. Not the tiles, the brick. And them design good. You see me? Yeah man. So me I say big up the Robinson Family TV, guys. Me I beg on please subscribe, because me notice me have a whole heap of viewers. Right? Me not get no like, me not get no share. You get what me I say? And me not get no comment as well. Me don't know if I like or don't like the videos. So no comment and tell me where we are the wrong. We won't need a like for see. And make we improve on that. You understand? Yeah, make we improve on that and fix things, and make we get the thing them on all look for one like. So we can, you see me? Work together. Bring the things them right on the doorstep and we can see what we want. Because we are working on some things for link up with some bigger artists, vloggers. Yeah man, so you know that part of it. Yeah man. Jimmy Cliff. Yeah man, we are working on some things to link up with some bigger YouTubers to get the thing going the right way, you know? Yeah man. Check out that cruising, you know? Yeah man. Showing us some mirrors that Bob Marley, you know, said was a legend. Was a great legend for Jamaica and put Jamaica on the map. You understand? Jimmy Cliff, all of them, Bunny Wheeler, you name it. You see me? So this is the great Bob Marley. You understand? Yeah man, great Bob. And this is the artist name, initial, and everything. You get what me I say? Yeah man, so sign and stamp. So you see, so we have some great artwork. Jamaica is very beautiful, you know. It's a nice, nice country, you understand? Yeah man. Look at the artwork, guys. This is downtown Kingston, you know. You understand? Near waterfront, that is. Yeah man, so we can get the right and proper name. Yeah man, look guys. Yeah man, very nice, you know. Very, very nice. Music videos and everything, you know. You? I doubt if me have any more change, you know, but see what I got. Yeah, go make it up, see? Yeah man. Alright, bless. Yeah man. That's how it going on, guys. Everywhere you turn, you always find somebody in need. So if you can help out, you help out. Yeah man. We are Jamaicans. This is so beautiful and it represents Jamaica. You understand? Look on the drawing, the image, and wait, the pic. You understand? Yeah man. Yes guys. Yeah man. Just I'll show you the beauty of Jamaica, and this is downtown Kingston, you know guys. This is the part where most people write off, you know. You get what I say? This is the part where most people write off and tell people nothing come. You see what I'm talking about? Look on the beauty of the place, guys. Oh yeah man. D Mwango was also down here in Kingston as well. should pass through a whole heap of place. You understand? Downtown here. You understand? But over the other side of town still, the deeper part. Yeah man, that's our inner town. You understand? So I'm just to show the beauty of the artwork and make people can see what I'm doing. You understand? Yeah man, have the up to original actually a paint or a revise theme artwork at the same time. So just to pass through and I show the beauty of our board, you know? Yeah man. So beautiful guys. Really and truly amazing. Yeah. Blessings teacher. Yeah man, so them artwork here, you create them?
Yeah man.
And that's good man.
Here and the Indian piece.
This and the Indian piece.
Yeah.
Yeah man, very, very creative man.
So this Indian piece. On my design,
Yeah.
I made it right out to the end.
Yeah?
Yeah, right out to the end.
Okay.
From Tower Street, right at the money transfer places.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you come up with them ideas here, cause them look good, you know man.
Yeah, man, it's just how it is. Concept, the client, like for this, or the mayor.
Mm-hmm.
The mayor asked to do it, you know, for a music piece.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so my idea of how the music starts is start from the retention.
Retention.
Yeah, I come from Africa, the African beat, the rhythm, so revival.
Revival.
Yeah.
Oh, before we even go into that, even though we just come up here and announce still,
Yeah.
where the I name, or how people can find it if they want them, like them design it on them wall or so forth.
Yeah, man, my name is Sheldon Blake.
Sheldon Blake.
Yeah, man, and Instagram, you can find me Instagram, Sheldon BLK. Yeah, man, I'm based in Kingston.
Okay.
Yeah, man, based downtown. Same place downtown.
Same place downtown.
Yeah, man, I live in the community.
If you want, you can give them your number, them can reach you too.
Yeah, man, my number is 546-2837. Yeah, Sheldon Blake, Facebook, you know, Instagram, Sheldon BLK. Yeah, man, I'm right there. You know, just finished a piece on Winward Road.
Oh.
Yeah, from, you know, Winward Court, come right down to Bellevue.
Bellevue, okay.
Yeah.
Are you do them work there?
It's a mighty
Yeah,
that.
yo, them look good in them.
Just finished that.
Come just a pass them side there, look good man.
Yeah, but my thing is community development.
Oh.
You know, we look at how we can assist, you know, the leaders, you know, to the work with the ministers.
Yeah.
To work with TPD folk. We look at, you know, sprucing up the community, making a change, you know, brightening up the community.
Yeah, that's
And-
good, that's
and
good.
We also work around how we can make our environment better.
Yeah.
So like, you know, I always take on the issue of dumping and getting rid of the dumping, because normally what you realize, the artwork is so powerful. One, you know, we use it as a method to you know, to create a better environment.
Environment, that's a true, because once them see the place pretty up and nice,
Right.
them are go encourage and others are go encourage other people to say no dumping and keep the place more vibrant and clean.
Yeah,
Yeah
definitely.
man, that's a true.
Yeah man, so you know we're enhanced, you know, so far it's been great, you know, the community participation, you know, but, you know, one step at a time.
That's a true.
And we get there.
That is it.
You know.
Yeah man, so there is a commissioner money, like for instance somebody want to use the artwork in a music video.
Yeah,
Them have to contribute towards it or them can just use it.
It's both ways it works. You can contribute it. Depends on what kind of video that you bring back in fun.
Oh.
Then you have to make a contribution
To the system.
Yeah.
Okay.
And to the art.
Okay, that's a true.
Yeah.
Because it can go help out in a both ways.
Yeah, and if it's just a family thing, you know, what you do, you tag the artist, give the artist credit.
Okay, so then I look for the name.
So you tag the artist, tag it on Instagram, Facebook, wherever, and say thank you know, we'll enjoy your work, you know, we'll take some pictures, you know, for whatever it is.
Okay.
For birthday.
So that's the reason why I want to put on a name,
Yeah.
on the signature at the end.
Always do the signature at the end. Secure the right.
Secure the right.
So we'll work.
Okay.
I am Sheldon, the Vertical Studio. Yeah, man.
Alright.
So you have to know.
Okay, you hear that, guys? I'm not going to really hold up him time because I see him busy. So I just continue showing what I go on. You see me? And the beauty of Jamaica. You get what I say? So, go and big up yourself, General.
Yeah, man. Big up,
More
big up.
blessings. Right? Alright, big up. Yeah, man. So, you see that we meet up on one of the artists them today. And that is great. And I'm going to tell you exactly how the thing go. And what you have to do based on helping out for them, you understand, for continue, for putting in this all of it. Look how the place look. Very beautiful, you know. You can come here with a camera equipment and shoot a video and actually get a good, outstanding look within the video work. You understand? Yeah, man, so this is how Jamaica really look. A part of it really. You understand? When we put in the work and create this kind of beauty. You understand? And we really have some nice people here in Jamaica. How the news put it and how they want to have it. You understand? Jamaica is a beautiful place. We know we have violence, we have crime everywhere. But when we put on to something and we need, and I would say, alright, we want to show people what I want. You understand? Yeah, man. This is it. Very beautiful. Yeah, man. Kingston, Jamaica. So a place nice. Sign with Missy Mark, Water Lane. Guys, this is a different section. Yes, guys. As me also remember to share, comment, subscribe to the Robinson Family TV. And this is a different section we are showing you. Tell me say that not creative. Just look and tell me say it's not creative, guys. You understand? Very, very creative. These are some of the mirrors that is on the wall in downtown Kingston. You understand? Each picture tell its own story. You understand? Every single picture tells its own story. Yes, guys. So showcase the talent. Yeah, man, great, man. Great. You're one of the artists. I just buck up on one of the set, you know. And take her. Yeah? And we're there with one more of the artists, them, you know, guys. You and Charles?
Yeah, me and Charles Baker and my son. Big me when you say you go to the Jamaica flag.
Yeah? Showcase and give yourself a shout out.
Yeah, enough one.
I make
tell me enough
people
time
can
say
find
yeah, but I don't know, I can't enough publicity, so I just humble with my team, you know what I mean?
Oh.
Yeah. Enough one time I don't say, yo, you have them talent there, you know. Sorry for the cigar.
That's good, man. May I tell you, lovely Virginia, because this I tell a real story about Jamaica.
Yeah, man. I tell you my team, everyone come say that.
Yeah, man.
They pick a lot of things.
Yes, that is it.
Yeah. The man, them play domino.
Yeah.
Me do them thing there. I me do the mountain, the scene. My brother named Bogart deal with it.
Yeah.
So my son there, him teacher try high school, him keep chemistry and physics, Sean White.
Yeah.
Him teacher try, yeah, my small son is out of the four of them. So him a do them thing, yeah.
So the whole of the talented.
Yeah man, I'm next two son, Ricky and Richie White.
Yeah.
Them come first in a Jamaica junior art exhibition. She say you put me there. And get scholarship and trophy and everything there. Out of 180 school, I believe high school take the test of them pass it.
Jaja.
Yeah.
That good man.
That's Sean White. Oh Charles, I might try to find Charles to show you. Because she depend on the work too, you know.
Oh.
Yeah man, see her there down the line.
Ah, cool.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, you see what I go on Jamaica.
Yeah man.
And the wider diaspora.
Yeah,
so the money behind the whole thing. Not the whole thing, you know, but
as in itself, yeah, part of the team.
A part of the team.
Creative, yeah.
Kingston Creative.
Yeah man.
You understand? Good looking guys. See my show.
Yeah man, I do them work them man. I do them on a airport.
At a airport.
Yeah man.
We go there go shoot a music video with you for your artist. You know? Yeah man. So some good work, great work from.
Yeah man. Yeah, I see the one at South Camp Road and the bottom of South Camp Road and Harbour Street.
Yeah.
The gully. Yeah, me they depend on that too. Me and I do that. I'm call my twin son them to come assist me because they have a deadline for me.
Oh.
You know, but all I watch you will work with man. All about Marcus Garbage Drive, no place we go work with Charles.
Yeah man. You hear that guy?
Kingston Creative. Give thanks and praise for such a like you say, an organization or a company like Kingston Creative because enough youth them make establish them talent, you know. So I give thanks to Kingston Creative. Yeah.
Alright, and you go by the name of Fabian White.
Yeah, otherwise known as Scientist from Raytown Community.
Raytown Community.
Yeah.
Yeah man, that good man. And you see me? Glad to meet the eye.
Yeah man.
You get what I say? Cool. That is it. Bless up. Alright, so this time work we put in, as you can see, the initial there. Bogart, 2K22 and Fabian, and them contact there, One Love. You see me? So they must spread the love in a Jamaica, guys. You get me? So you don't know the thing, you can find them, check them out. You see me? You know, murals to do all of them things, you can see me link them up on them way there. You understand? Great. Real story about Jamaica, you know, just look on it, just check it out. Everything I tell a story, just as how we as Jamaican live, I saw them put it out. You understand? Yeah man. Will it more work?
Yeah, for me, they're
round the side there.
It's a team and we work together.
Okay.
Most them now since late, I mean Charles Baker.
Charles Baker.
Yeah, very great artist.
Okay.
You know?
That
the basic thing of art. I mean art from 1973 from Franklin Town Primary.
Well, that good man, that mean
100 marks me getting a art, you know, from 1970.
then you know see it man, this is more than 100. Cool man, big up yourself.
Teamwork still as I said.
Yeah.
Love,
yeah man.
Everyone.
Glad for meet the eye.
Yeah man.
You see me? Yeah man, blessed.
Yeah.
Legend. Cool man. Yeah man, so you see it. Sometimes you just have to step out, you know. Yeah man, sometimes you're there in your place and the mind will tell you to move. You just move, you just step out, you will find people. So find some people with some real great talent. Look on the art where them put on the wall, guys. Just look on them. Everything I tell a story, you know, if you look deeply, you know. You understand? Everything I tell a story. That is it. Yeah man. Right through, you know, guys. Yeah man. So you don't know, say a whole heap of music video shoot at them place, you know. Just because them develop the place with them, all of them art work here, the murals here on the wall. You understand? So you know the musician them build them song based on stories, right? So for instance, them have a song about Jamaica and them want to tell a story about Jamaica. Them actually can come here, so walk, browse and look. Alright, this is a mural I describe Jamaica. Because you see the mango, you see the breadfruit, you see the ackee and you see the flowers, right? But look at this now, Africa in the same instance. You get what I say? This is Africa. Jamaicans putting it out there. So you see, so we're all connected. You see me? Jamaican, Africans, we all connected. You understand? And as I said, the same thing. So for instance, a man have an African song. This is a perfect mirror to come stand up and do music and put it out there and make people know. So watch out. Yeah. And everything that does come together and jelly as one. You get me? Yeah, man. See there? Look at this. Tell me say this don't look good. Tell me say this don't look good. This is a real Jamaican story again, you know. Cause look, you see the kite, you see the mother comb the child here, you know, that after school Monday morning. You see doctor, beach, dance, domino. You see the home, the whole family football, Jamaica, which is, you know, Usain Bolt, the real champion. Cause most him that, you know, can't nobody else. Real champion boy. See him there? Usain. That I it. You get what I say, guys? So this is the end of the street. Yeah, man. So we take time walk back in and me not cover everything yet. Just know I don't cover everything yet. You understand? Me not pretty up nothing in terms of rain. Me just a talk raw Jamaican. You understand? Raw Jamaican as it is, as a Jamaican. You get me, I say? Yeah, man. I love them though, trust me, I love the mirrors. Love them. Very outstanding work. Yeah, man. Nice. Whole heap of work them really put in, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Whole heap of work, man. I love that. Them really take the time out to really put in some work in the place, you know. To enhance the beauty of Jamaica. Yeah, man. And time to time, around them place, you're full in. I first really come, even though today is Sunday still, I first really come see the place really empty like this. But normally, stock up, man. People, stock up, stock up, stock up. And you have a whole heap more. I shoot a video up that side the other day with Brahma. Yeah, I shoot a video up that side the other day with Brahma. Yeah, man. Nice video, guys. You can go check that out. It name mash up the place. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. If I'm gonna reach so far in the video, please subscribe now, like and share now. Help me grow and reach to 1,000 subscribers. I beg another one, please. Yeah, man. Come see so now watch the video them. You understand? I'm glad for that. But at the same time, I beg on please subscribe. You understand? Yeah, man. I beg on please subscribe to the channel. For now have more such content or even better. You understand? Because I just take a random walk. Yes, guys, we are here at downtown Kingston. Yeah, man, by the waterfront. Yeah, man, I take a look through our whole of vibes. You can see the security tight down here and thing. Yeah, man, so you don't have to worry, you know. You can pass through, you don't know them to turn the place in a commercial place where, you know, Jamaicans and people from overseas can come through and all a little vibes. You understand? As you look, you see police and police attack. So a place more than safe. You understand? Yeah, man. This is where they may build a new hotel the other day, and I go and good. I shoot a video down that side with you and thing. Yeah, man. I just stay up on the waterfront. I go and chill back, easy back. Look where I go on. Go and take in some of the fresh sea breeze, you know. Yeah, man. Do a different type of vlog for you. First for your channel. Yeah, man. Just a show how I go on. Nice, pretty sea view and thing, you know. Yeah, man. The breeze not that harsh yet, you know, so I know when I might hear me and I hear what I go on. Yeah, man. So I want the bird right there, so. Yeah, man. Don't know if I can see him. Go on, have him look a time out See? Place more than good, you know? Safe and nice. So I'm just there up on the waterfront. I go and walk through. Go and look where I go and enjoy the view. Yeah, man. Nice place, you know, guys. Shoot a video here, so about 3 months back. Yeah, man. About 3 months back we shoot a video. Yeah, so it look like they might even set up an event, I don't know. Some event or some sort for maybe tonight. Or maybe for the rest of December, I don't know. Might ask a few questions based on that. Yeah, man. So, I don't know. They are walk through. Where the park select. Something like that. But anyway, guys, they are walk through. This event is for tonight? Okay. So is a stage show settings or just party? Is that? Brunch. Okay. So what time it's starting? 3 o'clock. Okay. Yeah, that's true. Just pass me there, pass through and see what I'm going. Later. Yeah, man, me definitely do that. So it's a paid event or anybody can come? Paid event. So everything is gonna be barred. Okay. Alright then, bless up. Okay. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna keep a brunch here, so by 3 o'clock it's supposed to start. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Have some sponsors and stuff. Like it's gonna be a nice event. You can pass through and check it out. So we're gonna go down and check out them fishermen down on the far end and see what go on. Yeah, man. And this is the far end of downtown Kingston, guys. Down here, so we call waterfront. Yeah, man, down by the seaside, you know. Yeah, man, them places where people come chillax, relax, couple up, you know them thing there, and all a little vibe and thing, you know. Yeah, man. Because I can't see 2 little birds there, so I'm gonna have them time. See how close I can get to them without them fly. Nice doves, you know, guys. In bird season, these are what we hunt, you know. Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, man. So down here in the Kingston Harbour, go on walk and hold a little vibe. See what go on. So the fishermen them catch and thing. Yeah, man. Just go on. Oh, that's a whole little vibe, a little free walk, freestyle. Anything goes, you know. Yeah, man. Nothing special. Just there at the house and just feel like to come out, you know, and do a little adventure. Yeah, man. And share it with the guys, you know. Yeah, man. The fish them are going, nothing a bite.
Kind of cool down, you know.
Cool down. Okay, I'm my sport, you know, but a good little time I get to do it through work. Yeah, man. I've a rod them and them sitting the same way. Wow. Fish catch, man. A live bait and you use for them or shrimp? Live bait. Don't you want to catch them? Bless you, bless you. go out with things man, then catch a few jack, you know. Jack Valley. Let's go take a look in the water. See what going. You know, we still a walk, you know. Still a walk and a show no what going. I go down to Glorious, you know. This is where the people them come spend them big bucks, you know. Money. So I say we just a free flowing idea. Yeah man, anything goes, you know. Yeah man, some nice flowers here, you know guys. Nice. Yeah man, we just a free flow, you know. I give thanks for life. Don't know health, strength, or wealth, you know. I don't know. Something like rockets are going on all that time. I keep on a check. Yeah man. Just a pass through and enjoy life and get your food. Yeah man. More blessings, you know. You know, in Glorious parking lot I walk through. Yeah man guys. The place nice. Blessed. Yeah man, they are panic, you know. Walk through. Showcase of a beautiful area, downtown Kingston. See me as a guys. Yeah man. Just past Glorious, just now. Over that side of the hotel. Yeah man. Big nice hotel just renovated in guys. So man, so down here so pretty and ready for now. You see me I say? You can come book out and thing. Place nice. So they might do some like a renovation over that far end. Yeah man, nice you know guys. And this is downtown Kingston, Jamaica. This is the far end down waterfront. This is where we come a year time and watch the fireworks. Yeah man, so we just are gonna run down the place, you know. View of the place and make you see what I'm going. Yeah man. Just a walk through. Look at that bird guys. See him? See him there? Nice. Look like in the cave, see that? Nice bird, you know guys. See that? Yeah man. See him? Food them are looking at. Clean up the tree and stuff, you know? Yeah, man. I leave him be, you know? Yeah man, he might do film work. Yeah man, we're there upon it. Yeah man, see them in that coconut tree there. I won't see him there. Yeah man guys, we just there and walk through, you know. See what happens. See, it's a place where people just come all and relax, take in some nice fresh air, free them mind, you know, whole a little vibe. So, and not just me, but just a show no what go on. On the ship out there, so guys, don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah man, but I show no what go on, you know. Yeah man, it dark out there, so totally mark deep on it, the far end. Yeah man. Normally there would be a whole heap of people down this side that catch fish. You understand? Yeah man, but I don't know them now out. I don't know the fish them now bite as how them supposed to. So the people them just father just have, or maybe at the timing when me reach. You understand? Yeah man, so maybe I just the time when me reach, you know, see most people out of fishing and them stuff there. But as I can see, I'm showing a few of them up top. Catch some nice jack for them Sunday dinner. Today a Sunday as well, you get me? Yeah man. So I'm just a walk, stretch my leg them. Show no walk man. Today a Sunday, not me very people out, you know. Body day in do them like a 1 and 2 thing them. You see me? Yeah, man, so I don't know. Stay and stroll and make a walk, you know. Yeah, man. So fish guys. That's how people dive over and go over them places and go catch fish too, you know. Over on them side, as you can see, them have some pole. And if you can see them with the GoPro, some wire tie on the end, where them hook them line pon. Catch some real big fish, you know, guys. Yeah man. You have some other fishermen down on the far end down here, so I'm going to show them and show them what I go on to. Yeah man, so there. I want to walk through the place. Some big, nice, high-rising building. Man, it's just a spot of people come free them mind. You see me? Nice. Man, so just there I walk through. Listen. Just there I walk through, guys. Through the beauty of downtown Kingston. Nice. Nice. Some people don't know side they play domino. Or let me put vibes and things. It's a couple bucket. Nice receiver. See you guys. Nice receiver. Might fly now. Yeah, you know, so I know one next fishing spot out on the pier. Like how I did that side, yeah. You know, so I might just drive out there, so that cement company side. I just go and take a little look out there as well. You understand? See if them catch nothing big out there. Today is all about seeing. I mean, I pray Elsha. Take a walk go over this out. Hey, drive rather. Yeah man, but I don't know, maybe out of the pier or maybe just take a drive over here, check out, walk through, see what I go on, check out the beach side. You understand? See over there, look. Man, what me I talk about? A whole heap of line string off out here, man. Like them bait off and fish out them side. Whole heap of line string off. Line like trouble. String off out here. Check out what I'm going. Fish them, man. Still running on the side here, guys. Still a walk through. Be a line string off. Be a line. Be a line. I need to come check out the other spot here. Fish like worries. Maybe down them side there. The fish now run. Fish now run down the side there. Man, they murder a couple jack up side up on the top of the stuff.
Oh yeah, the man he kill a couple, about 3 of them
Eh? Yeah man, them have a couple jack up side in them bucket, man.
Take it up.
Oh,
Them bag them
them bag them
up.
up already. Watch them, man. Come like a big shark, the man them kick. Oh, kingfish them, eh? Right here, so. Oh, yeah, say. So you say, yeah, fish killer down here. Yo. That man say, man. So you a murder them? Eh? I'm my sport, you know, I'm rather than sitting there, but a long time I don't come take it on. I just walk, I say I walk and I check out, you know? Yeah, man. Which one of them tail you feel? Bet you the biggest one. But no, man. So if I'm there long enough, I might drag in one. Yeah? Come like you see him catch a giant, them and I point out the red hat man, you know. I him catch most of them. Red him catch most, but you catch a giant them. You see that? That one that was how much pound when you catch? How much pound? Oh, that about what? Oh, as they catch it, them bite. Yeah, guys, you see what I'm going? Look on this. So not normal, you know. So not normal, you know, guys. See the size fish? Look on them tail. Be a fish tail, you know, man. Be a giant. More than mine there, I see them catch. I see them catch, man. No. See them have them live bait. One shot. More like that. Yeah, man, guys. So the Kingston now by now. Downtown Kingston, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, this is a busy street. Look more from now, you know. So when they're on the road early before the crowd and all of that, you know. I know I feel like I'm gonna take a drive over Elsha. Yeah. Take a drive go over Elsha and burn a half an hour. Look on the place. See how the place are going. Yeah, man. the price for them?
I see them in back. No, by pound.
Oh.
2 and a pound, right? 2 and a pound.
Okay. How would I place on here?
Name Red One Stop.
What name?
Red.
Red
Yeah.
One Stop.
Red.
Okay. And the lobster price, same too. And the pound, let me see a pound, right, look. I want the pound. So that's a 2 grand. Right. Gone, brother. All our beach side gone. Everything wash away. Whole beach side. Day Sunday there, the whole of them place here, guys. Thing gone now. Them have to dump up base stone and them something that to keep the bank in. mash up, guys. Alright, the UG, man. Long time in a separate big side. Holy big sunlight on the beach.